So is laser something like once you've seen the results, once you hit that 12-month mark and you're like, wow, my hair's so full and amazing. Is it something that you have to maintain throughout the rest of your life? Is it something like, I've got my results, now I just continue to use specific products? Or what is that like?
Yeah, absolutely. So the best way to think about your laser treatment and kind of long term is very similar to working out. Okay, so I always use this analogy. So if you have a fitness goal and you work really, really hard for it every single day, kind of like your hair right now, so you're in your aggressive phase of getting your hair in the shape that you really want it to be. So if you're working out and you reach that goal, you don't have to work out as hard every single day.
Yes, it's maintenance.
It is. You do have to do something to maintain it, and it's the exact same way with your hair. So what we do is we've got some options here in the office as far as what maintenance looks like. Of course, products that promote a healthy environment for your hair to grow is always exciting and helpful. But we've got at-home laser helmets that you can use.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, it's really, really nice and it's convenient. And we have some other treatment options here that are a little less of a time commitment that you can use as a maintenance program for yourself as well. So there's definitely some options, but you do want to maintain those results.
Is the at-home laser helmet, that's not something someone would do in the place of this, right? Because it's not as powerful as this. It's more of the maintenance.
Correct, absolutely. So the laser helmet has less laser diodes than what your clinical laser does.
Okay.
Also has less coverage. So it's not going to cover the same area. It's not going to cover your whole head. And it's not going to be as aggressive. But it is really effective in maintaining that because you're still increasing blood flow. It's just not as strong.
What are diodes?
So it's actually what is coming through that laser right in there.
So they're like the lights?
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.